Hello, and welcome to this video on letter substitution. In this video, we're going to go over an introduction to letter substitution, and you're going to see these problems rather often in Math Olympiad. You're going to see problems like the following. AB plus AB is equal to CA. In order to solve these problems, let's take a look at a way you can attack them. Try to use the rules of addition to solve. For example, in the above problem, B plus B is equal to A. That means A divided by 2 is equal to B, which is a whole number. Therefore, A has to be even. Additionally, A has to be less than 5, because A plus A in the second column equals C, and C is a single digit. Therefore, A has to be less than 5, so B plus B has to be less than 5, so B has to be less than or equal to 2. And this is one way to narrow down what the letters could stand for. Now you know that A has to be less than 5, and B has to be less than 2, or less than or equal to 2, sorry. So think about it. What can we do here to solve? So B obviously has to be less than or equal to 2, so why don't we try solving for B first? 2 and 2 gives us 4. 4, 4, and if we add 42 and 42, we get 84. Now let's see if this satisfies our conditions. B is 2, and B is less than or equal to 2, and is even. 4 is less than 5, and it's also even. And the C is different from A and B. Therefore, we've just solved the problem. See how easy that is. We just use the rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division to solve problems like these. Let's move on to the next problem. AB times 6 is equal to BBB. So the solution to this problem, I'm going to let you give a go at it first and try and unpause the video once you've attempted it. So the solution to this problem is pretty simple. If we were to take a number and multiply it by 6, we'd get a new number, which is obviously divisible by 6. So BBB must be divisible by 6 if it's a 3-digit number with the same digits. And since it's the same digits, we can narrow it down to 9 numbers: 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, 999. And I apologize if the screen is loading in rather slowly for you. So we can test to see if all of these are divisible by 6 using our division by 6 rule, using the rules of 2 and 3, as we learned in previous videos. 111 is not divisible by 2 or 3, so no. 222 is divisible by 6. 222 is divisible by 6 because it's divisible by 2, it ends in an even number, and it's divisible by 3 because the digits add up to 6, which is a multiple of 3. 333 is odd, so why don't we go ahead and mark out all the other odd numbers first? Then we can do 444. 444 is obviously divisible by 2, so are 666 and 888. So we just need to check if each of these are divisible by 3. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. And 12 is divisible by 3 because 12 is a multiple of 3. 666, 6 plus 6 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so this is also divisible by 6. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24, and 24 is a multiple of 3. 888 is also divisible by 6. So now, we know that B could be 2, 4, 6, or 8. And since we only have 4 options, we could try to see if we could just divide each of these by 6 and see if they result in a number which the ones place is the same number, is the same digit that makes up the 3-digit number. So if that doesn't make sense, let me just show you. We're going to divide 222 by 6, and I've already done the division here. I'm just going to show you the answer, but remember, practicing long division is also very important. 222 divided by 6 is 37. 7 is not the same thing as 2, so we can rule out 222. 444 divided by 6 is equal to 74. 4 is the same thing as 4, so yes, this is a possibility. But let's take a look at the other numbers first before we jump to any conclusion. 666 divided by 6 is equal to 111, that's 3 digits. 888 divided by 6, and we don't even need to do that, since 888 is greater than 666, and 888 will be 888 divided by 6 will also be a 3-digit number. So the only one that works here is 444. So now we figured out that B is equal to 4. And from our division, we also know that A is equal to 7. Thank you for watching this video. The next video will contain even more practice problems with letters, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Thank you.